Hi, the purpose of this video is going to be to overview how to complete and submit your Pathways assignment journal each week. So we're going to work on it over multiple weeks, and you'll want to add it all to one document and submit it with the iDrive. So I'm going to review that here. The first thing you want to do is download the template. So that's at the top here. I've already in Module 1 gone to this assignment. You'll go ahead and download it by clicking on it. Once you have downloaded it, you can see it's a Word document that you can add to each week. And you can go ahead and click here that you want to download it. You might save it in a particular spot on your computer if you want to. I'm just going to download it for now. Then we'll want to go to OneDrive. I usually just type it right in to go there. But you can also get to it from your CWI email. So I usually get to mine by just typing mail.cwi.edu. And if you didn't know, you have access to all of the Microsoft Office applications through here. So on this left-hand side, you can see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the little cloud will take you to OneDrive. Once you're there, we want to upload that here. So you can go ahead and click Add New. File upload, and then find that assignment out here. You might want to rename it on your own desktop and then upload it. That's kind of up to you. Once you've added it here, then you can go ahead and click into it. And then I would recommend just working on it in OneDrive. So that's kind of up to you if you want to save it on your computer and then upload it. But you can go ahead and just work on it from here. One thing I did want to point out, you can click on the contents to go to the week that you're working on. So right now you don't have to scroll too much, but when we get to week 16, for example, you might, or 13, you might want to click on that to take you directly to that area. Once you've done that, you'd read over the assignment. You've got a place here where you can type in your response. Once you've completed that, this saves for you, and then you can automatically, it will save if you're working on OneDrive. Then when you're ready to submit your assignment, you would just go over there to File and click on Share. You can click Share with People, and then I usually would change this anyone with a link can edit. So if you click on that, under settings, you can choose just view so that people can't edit it. Click apply and then click copy link, and that will give you a link that you can then go back to Blackboard and submit. So now I'm back in Blackboard. Here's the assignment link for me to submit my assignment. I would go down to submission, create submission, and then I can just copy that link right in there and click submit, and that's all I have to do. Then as the instructor, I'll be able to click on that and go to your OneDrive and review it. And then the next week, you would do the same thing. You've already got it here, so you won't have to do all of that. You'll just go to week 2 and add your response. You may want to add your responses in a different color so that they're easy to see and you can see that you've done it. So that's kind of up to you. But I just add that here, and then I can just submit the same link, copy and submit each week, and then that will keep kind of one document with all of your work. Some of them that will be helpful for looking back, and it houses it out in your OneDrive so that you'll always have access to it. If you have questions about that, certainly let me know, but I'm looking forward to reading your responses.